Hi students, before first problem completed, now second one, a rhombus SOAP with SA equal to 4.3 centimeters, OP equal to 5 centimeters. Actual rhombus means SAOP, so SA like this, SA, next OP, OP means middle like this, means half of the measure with 5 centimeters half, 2.5, 2.5 like this. Rough diagram, this is SP SOAP. So this is like this rhombus SOAP. See this construction. First, draw a line segment SA equal to 4.3 centimeters. Here 4.3 centimeters. Here 4.3. SA. This is 4.3 centimeters. Next, with S as center, draw the more than half measure perpendicular bisectors. So draw arcs equal more than half SA, more than half. So more than half is there. Here more than half. These arcs, so from S to above and below, above and below. Next, same more than half with A as center, draw above and below, above and below. So this not intersecting. Again from S to draw that more than half, above, below. Now draw the perpendicular bisector of SA. This is perpendicular bisector of SA. This is perpendicular bisector of SA. Next, with S as center, here this intersect point perpendicular bisector O take. Next, OP. So already here O is there. Change another any letter. Q take center point Q. So OP measure 5 centimeters. 5 centimeters half, 2.5. 2.5. 2.5. This 2.5 with Q as center, draw the arc 2.5 above and below. So why? Because here total PO 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter half, 2.5. 5 centimeters half, 2.5. From above A to, now join this one. This is O. This point is P. So this is perpendicular bisectors. Keep arrow symbol. Now join SO. SP. Next AP and OA. So this is 2.5. This also 2.5 centimeters. So next, keep here near S. SAOP. First, draw a line segment SC 4.3 centimeters. Next, with S as center, draw the perpendicular bisectors, means more than half from S to above one arc, below one arc. From A to more than half, above one arc and again below another arc. This is perpendicular bisectors. So in that perpendicular bisector, here middle keep any one letter. So this is Q. From Q to here OP. OP total 5 centimeters. OP total 5 centimeters. 5 centimeter half of the measure 2.5. 2.5. With Q as center, 2.5 centimeters as radius. Draw an arc above and 2.5 centimeters draw another arc and below. So this is next join SP, PA, AO and OS. This is the required rhombus SOAP. So steps: draw a line segment SA equal to 4.3 centimeters. Draw an equal arcs more than half SA 4.3 centimeters with the center S and A on SA. Total line. These two arcs meet at X, Y. So join XY. XY is the perpendicular bisectors of SA and the bisecting of is M. Next, with M as center, draw two arcs equal to half OP 2.5 centimeters on XY. XY means perpendicular bisectors top of the arrow symbols XY. These two arcs cut at XY at OP. Next, join SP and SO and also PA and OP. OA. This is the required rhombus SOAP. Third question, A square JUMP with diagonal 4.2 centimeters. So we know that in square diagonals are equal. Square diagonals are equal. See this rough diagram. J, M. Next here bisector points. So perpendicular bisectors. This O. Here 4.2 half 2.1. 2.1. Here also 2.1. This point to P. This point U. So like this join JUMP 2.1 2.1. This is intersect point O. See this construction. First draw a line segment JM 4.2 centimeters. 4.2 here 4.2 centimeters. JM 4.2 centimeters. So after more than half, take more than half measurement with J as center. Draw the perpendicular arc above and below. So this is more than half. Next above, below. Draw the arc. Next same like more than half with M as center. Draw the above arc and below arc. Above and below. Above and below. So this is perpendicular bisectors. Perpendicular bisectors. Join this one. Point X. This is Y. X, Y. Like next here 4.2. 4.2 half of the measure 2.1. Take 2.1 centimeters. This is 2.1. So with O point, this is intersecting point here O. From O to 2.1 above and below. So above one arc, below another arc. Now this point here, this is U. Here where intersecting this point is P. Now join JY. Next my, next mp, next jp. Steps of construction. Here keep arrow symbols. This is 2.1 centimeters. Here also 2.1 centimeters. First steps of constructions. So we know that they given only diagonal 4.2. In square diagonals are equal. Means 4.2, another measure also 4.2. Jm equal to up equal to 4.2 centimeters. First to draw a line segment Jm equal to 4.2 centimeters. Next point, draw arcs with the center J and M equal to more than half of GM. More than half to GM means from J to more than half, above and below perpendiculars. So these two arcs meet at X, Y. Next to join X, Y. Next, XY is the perpendicular bisector of JM. XY is the perpendicular bisector of JM. And O is the perpendicular bisecting point. This point is O, perpendicular bisector point. With O as center, draw an equal arcs of half of at UP. So, half of at UP. Half means 4.2 half 2.1. From here to 2.1 arc above, and here to 2.1 arc below. So this point is UP. This point is UP. So next to join UP. These two arcs cut at XY. In these two cut at XY at UP. Next to join JU, UM, MP and PJ or JP. This is the required square JUMP. Steps of constructions. First point, draw a line segment JM equal to 4.2 centimeters. Draw arcs with the center of JM equal to more than half. Next point, these two arcs meet at XY and join XY. XY is the perpendicular bisector of JM and the bisecting point at O. Next point, with the center O, draw arcs equal to half of at UP. 2.1 means 4.2 half 2.1 on XY. These two arcs cut at XY at UP. Next point, join JU, UM, JP and MP. This is the required square JUMP. Now third chapter completed. Next fourth chapter, exponents and powers, we will discuss next class.